Hi, it's Carrie. I just want to show you what I love about this macrame wall hanger from Homecor. It just turned out so darling on my wall. I've hung a few photos on it with the cute little clips that come with it. It comes with this bag full of these tiny little clothespins. And it also comes with the lights, but the lights have a remote, and this is what makes it so great. So this remote is just easy to turn it on and off. And it also will adjust the flickering of the lights. Change those settings. You can set it to a timer so that it will stay on for a certain amount of hours. It's just a darling little boho addition to some wall art. Makes just a cute little hanging. I think it's going to be great for Christmas. Hang some Christmas cards on there. Enjoy that for the holiday season. It's just festive and fun. Just absolutely darling set of lights on there. The twinkle lights add so much to anything. Just super cute. Got some darling photos hanging on it. It is the Homecor macrame wall hanger, and I am loving it.